Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick DIY tablescape using pinks. It's actually for a girls' brunch I'm having at my house. And if you wait till the end, I'm also going to show you our Easter decor since I didn't have a chance to actually cut a video for it. So to get started, I'm using this runner that I got at World Market. It's made out of burlap, but it's got this really wonderful paint on it. And then those white chargers I got last year from Michael's, which are really beautiful and kind of dainty. I also think I used those for Easter, but either way. For this tablescape, I'm going to be really focused on the centerpiece, and I'm going to be using all flowers. I usually use lots of different elements, but today I'm going to keep things pretty simple and natural. I got these cute little name holders from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. I really love how they turned out. I do also have some flower ones, but I just didn't feel like overdoing it. So the flowers I'm using today, I actually got it all from Trader Joe's. They have these beautiful peonies, tulips that kind of explode in the glass. You'll kind of see how they cascade over the plates. I really love it. And then lilies, because they just smell so good. And then this bouquet of flowers was actually only $12 at Trader Joe's, and it had 1,000 different types of flowers in it, which I loved. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to do all the different arrangements and then put them out on the table, and then we'll be finished, and I'll show you our Easter tablescape.
Why don't we just say what we wanna? We could be honest about the way we've been feeling things for each other. This time I'm not walking away. We always wanna put on camouflage. It's just the way of the millennium. Why do we feel like we're not good enough? Why don't we lose all of this camouflage? Keep holding back 'cause we're afraid to try, pushing it off until the night. But what if we could just put down the flaws? Can we lose all of this camouflage? Everyone wants the upper hand 'cause a broken heart isn't part of the plan. I act like I don't miss you, but I wanna see you. Let's not make this harder than it really needs to. Everyone wants the upper hand 'cause a broken heart isn't part of the plan. I act like I don't miss you, but I wanna see you. Let's not make this harder than it really needs to be. We always wanna put on camouflage.
So the last three arrangements I'm actually going to be giving away to my friends who are coming over. I have two other arrangements. One is for a birthday, so she gets a bigger arrangement. And then these other little ones, I just think it's kind of fun to give your guests something to walk away with. These little glasses I actually got from a Trader Joe's bulb that I got last year, but I just kept them. And you could also use a mason jar, really anything you can get at the dollar store that's inexpensive but also cute that your friends would love. So these plates I actually got from the Easter collection at Target. I love how they look. In the pictures at the end, you'll see I used the Easter bunny ones too. It turned out really cute, and we also had the runner to this, but it looked a little monochromatic to me, so I didn't want to just use those. To add another fun layer to the table, I'm going to go ahead and fold my napkins in the shape of a rose. I really thought of something kind of different, that I don't like just using the same old napkin ring, so I am just going to fold these into a rose. I don't really do this often, but it looks so fun. I'm really excited to actually have this done this spring because I haven't done this before. So now that our table is totally set, I just want to show you a couple cute things on here. These runners I actually got from World Market, like I said in the beginning, and I really like how it's dark pinks that went really well with these flowers. And then there's a little bit of like an orangey pale pink that's great. I'm going to be serving salmon as well this day, so I just think all the pink is going to go great. I collect all these cute little teacups. My kids love drinking out of them. You can get them at any thrift store. It's a really good place, and also you can get some great ones at Home Goods, so try there. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stick around to see our Easter tablescape, and I cannot wait for the next one. See you soon.